Ngayon pa lang. Siyempre, for our Miss Universe Philippines, Chelsea Manalo, who will be competing in Miss Universe this November sa Mexico. Ayan mga ka-crown, ang dami pong nagre-request sa inyo na parang thoughts about Chelsea naman po. So, eto, this time dahil nandito na si Pau, titingnan natin kung ano muna yung thoughts ng baraha.
Sige, ayan. Parang 7 daw sa kanya.
Ay, ibalasa pa. Baka binabasa pa si Chelsea. Yeah. Chelsea Manalo, Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Na-interview din natin yan dito sa The Crown Philippines. If you want to rewatch our videos, mga ka-crown, please don't forget lang, go back to our channel, The Crown Philippines, and also our sister channel, Pride Partner. Subscribe lang po kayo. And you can rewatch the videos with our queens. And antabayanan po ninyo, we have a lot more in store for you. And those who are watching us right now, please don't forget to click on subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated with the recent news and videos na i-upload namin. So gaya nito, we're now asking the cards kung anong mababasa for Chelsea Manalo for Miss Universe.
Ayan, sige.
3.
Pick 3.
Naku, Chelsea. Ano pong gusto niyong sabihin for Chelsea?
Ayan, let's see. Sige nga,
Dalawa pa. Dito tayo sa... Ayan. Parang may nakikita ko mga stars.
Sige na, sige natin 2 pa.
Dalawa pa?
Actually, okay ang energy niya. I think what the cards are telling us right now, focus on your priorities. Expand.
Expand.
Expand pa. Meaning, go out. May celebration eh.
May celebration! Oh no! Oh no, napa-oh no ako. Oh my!
Okay. What I am getting with your cards here, number 1, meron din siyang team ng balance. No, andyan na naman yung 2. Okay. And it feels to me that she has to, if she feels stressed, no? If she feels like overwhelmed, and sometimes you have to leave it behind first, then you go back to it later. Para mag-celebrate.
Pahinga, parang...
Yeah. And then also celebrate your small wins.
Wow! Celebration!
Kung meron kang mga nagagawa ng okay, na parang feeling mo, ay, ito milestone na to, meron ng, if you're working with your team, ay, may napag-desisyon ng ganito, na tagal nag-isipan. Acknowledge it, celebrate it. Importante yan to bring balance. No, kasi sometimes you have to also reward yourself.
For a job well done.
Yeah.
Sa mga small wins.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, ang busy ng ating mga reyna.
Tsaka magbo-boost ka rin ng mo.
Magre-recharge. Parang gano'n.
Ng confidence mo. Kasi may shadow, card. Ibig sabihin. It could mean na may mga issues internally na dapat ayusin.
Ayan. There you have it, mga ka-crown, for Chelsea Manalo, Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Thank you, Pao. But overall, Pao, sa lahat ng mga, not mentioning kung sino yung queen na yun, pero ano yung parang nakita mong pinakamaganda na nabasa mo sa card?
Pinakamaganda?
Or parang something yung parang general message. Kasi kanina pa tayo parang pare-pareho yung nabubunot, diba?
Actually, ako, since open pa naman tong card na to, ang noticeable ko dito sa card na to, maganda yung trend yung kay Chelsea, no? Maganda yung trend. meron lang konting sacrifices. So when you do the sacrifice, it will bring you long run. It doesn't mean you sacrifice this now, you can't enjoy it later. No. But it somehow tells us na there's a time for everything. And yon, maganda yon. And I think this one is nice.
Walang